In this question, a bullet weighing 10 gram is fired with a velocity of 800 meter per second. After passing through a mud wall which is 1 meter thick, its velocity decreases to 100 meter per second. Find the average resistance offered by the mud wall. So if we draw the real life situation of this, then a bullet, it is traveling initially with a velocity of 800 meter per second and its mass is 10 gram. It is going in this direction and it hits a mud wall and it passes through the mud wall and comes in this direction, and here its velocity has decreased and become 100 meter per second. That means the mud wall has offered some resistance, or we can say the mud wall offered some force in the opposite direction on the bullet. In other words, mud wall did some work on the bullet. So we have to find out this average resistance. That means we have to find out this force which was applied by the mud wall on the bullet. So here if we say that initial velocity of bullet was 800 meter per second and say final velocity was v 100 meter per second, mass is given as 10 grams or 0.01 kg for SI units, then we can assume that let the resistance offered by the wall, let it be equal to F. Now if the wall is applying some force on the bullet, then it is doing some work, so we can apply work energy theorem here. So by work energy theorem, the work done by the wall will be equal to the decrease in kinetic energy of the bullet. So work done by wall equals to decrease in kinetic energy of bullet. Now work done by wall will be given by force, and since bullet is getting displaced in this direction, so we can write Fs. This is the work done by wall. Decrease in kinetic energy, that means final minus initial, whatever is the decrease. So decrease, if we calculate, then the initial kinetic energy was more, so the decrease will be half into mass into initial kinetic energy square minus half into mass into final kinetic energy square. If we do final minus initial, then it will come out to be minus, but the minus sign will only mean that the work done by the wall was in opposite direction, which is very clearly shown in the diagram. But we are ignoring the minus sign because all we need is the magnitude of this work, the magnitude of the force. We can later on say that whatever is the force, it is in the opposite direction. So that is why we are not putting any minus sign here. We are calculating initial minus final, only the decrease in kinetic energy. So this F, it will be equal to half into 0.01, it will be 800 square minus 100 square upon S. S is the displacement in the wall, which is 1 meter. This is 1 meter, so it will be 1. Now if you calculate this, your answer will come out to be around 3150 Newton. Now this is the force that is applied by the wall on the bullet, or we can say this is the average resistance offered by the wall. Remember, average resistance offered by the wall, average force applied by the wall, they are the same thing, and this will be the answer to your question.